Hello everyone, Shiva here. Today we're going to be reviewing two different products from the same company called Jowua. Here we got first a hub for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, and this is pretty nice. We'll talk more about the feature of this hub. Then we have a 480-degree phone mount, and this is the same mount that I featured about a month or two ago on my channel. It was super awesome, but this one now features wireless charging. So this is the additional feature where now you have wireless charging on this mount. This hub is pretty neat. It is very small in size, so I really like how compact this is. And now you have light. So this is a LED bar right here that has light where you can either turn this off, put it in auto, or you can just leave it on all the time when the car is powered on. So you have an option. There's a light sensor right here. Now right here you have got a USB-C port. This is a high power 18-watt USB-C port, so that's pretty awesome. Here you got your regular USB-A ports. There's 3 of them, so to provide you plenty of options here. And then finally, a main feature of this is you have a SD card slot right here. This is for your Sentry mode. So if you do not want to have a SSD or USB on your car for the Sentry mode and dash cam, now you can use this SD card slot right here to put a micro SD card and your Sentry mode will work. So you can declutter your cabin a little bit using this product. So this is what I meant by decluttering your cabin a little bit, because as you can see, I've got a USB splitter here. I also have a Sentry mode SSD here. So if you want to remove all those cables and put this one here and then get the cables out from this hub, it might be a little bit nicer. So how to install this? All you gotta do is, let's first remove this USB cables, get them out of the way. And since this is just 2 USB-As, and if you have a USB-A and a USB-C, it also just get the right kit, and then all you have to do is just plug and play. We'll just come here and then we'll just push it in. And that's it. Now this is installed, and here's the light. And then I still now have one more USB-A, one USB-C, and still have that micro SD card right there. So offers a little bit more space for what you need to do. So if you remember, I reviewed this fold-away mount and then this 480-degree mount last time. And this mount has been really good. I actually ended up taking it out and installing back on many times while I was installing this hand show display as well as the top fit display to make me room here. And it actually worked really well. So all you have to do to take this out is pull this pin and then just twist it right and left a little bit, and then it snaps out. This material, whatever they are using, is super strong and actually works for multiple times. So I have a lot of, assurance on this mount that it is going to last me for a while. So the installation is fairly straightforward. All you got to do is remove this cover right here, peel this off, and then just use this format here that they send you and make sure that this one is clipped back, the clip, and then you put it in, fit it in the edge, and then just push it in. So push this, and then you can just click this in. And then you can remove the installation guide. And there you go. This is secure and it's strong, and that is all you got to do. And if you don't like the angle, you can remove it. You can take it out, install it on the other side, and then this also turns this way and then also a little bit this way. So this is pretty cool. Now let's test the wireless functionality, and to do that, all you gotta do is plug in your USB-A or USB-C right here in this port, and then plug the other end to your central console here. There is not much to this wireless charger to open. You just press there and then you put it in, and then you start charging. The wireless charger works. And to take it out, all you gotta do is it's a one-hand operation. You can put in and out super easily. So that was the installation, and there's not much to this product other than they do their job. The wireless charger, this is something that I complained on my last video while I was reviewing this 480 mount. I was like, I wish this was a wireless charger. That's the only thing I didn't like about this original design. So good to see that Jowua actually listening to feedback and incorporating that wireless charging functionality. So that shows that they care about their customer and they are listening to their customers' feedback to further improve their product. So kudos to them for that. As I said before, this sticky thing, I don't know what this is, but it works really well. You can wash this off. It is too dirty like mine here, and you can just put it back on and it holds very strong. I mean, my phone is really big. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it holds really well. The new wireless charger works seamlessly. It has a very low profile, so it is not obnoxious on the way, so it is not taking up space and messing up with my minimalist Tesla design. So I really like that as well. The hub helps you declutter. I have definitely seen bigger hubs. They take up too much space and looks kind of obnoxious there when I open the central console. And seeing this as a very low profile, it doesn't take up much space. It has that LED light, which I really like. It would be very helpful in the dark to look through down there. It has an auto light functionality and it has plenty of USB A and C. Plus, now you get a Sentry mode built into that hub. So you just plug in a SD card and then your Sentry mode dash cam automatically works, saving you some space. And also you don't have to buy a SSD card if you don't want to. So those are all the really good things. I honestly don't know anything like that I can say that are bad about this two products because they do the job. There's not much to it. If I encounter any flaws in the design, I'll definitely make a follow-up videos to let you all know. That concludes today's video. I have many more exciting product reviews coming in this channel, so stay tuned for those videos and please come back when I post this video to watch those videos and support my channel. If you want to purchase this products, both of this, I'm going to put a link down below where you can purchase them. And also if you use my link and go through that link, as well as the code that I have in the description, you should be able to get $5 off from each of those products. Also the wireless charger if you want to purchase that. I'll put a link for all of those in the description below. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next video. Namaste.